Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Malchi Disanayaka. In this video, I will present about something very special, important topic that is called as marine natural products. Here is my table of content. Uh, in future slide, I will be exploring what is marine natural products and their significance and biological roles of marine natural products and the chemical diversity, marine derived drugs according to FDA approved and application beyond medicine, challenges and ethical issues, and conclusion finally preferences. Here my first slide I mentioned the introduction and significance of marine natural products. Do you know what is marine natural products? These marine natural products are chemical compounds produced by the marine organisms like sponges, algae, corals, and bacteria. Those marine natural products have unique structures and biological activities, and also they can be used for medicine, cosmetics, and biotechnology applications. Here, next slide I goes to biological roles in nature of the marine natural products. Do you know marine organisms produce a wide range of natural compounds that play crucial roles in their survival and ecological interactions. Here I mention main three types of roles in marine natural products. First one is the act as a defense mechanism against the predators. Sometimes these marine organisms produce toxins and venoms to protect organisms from their being eaten. And second one is the used in competition for space or nutrients. Here example is some organisms produce antibiotics and antifollants to inhibit growth of competing microbes and prevent overgrowth. Here third one I mentioned contribute communication and reproduction. Example is the some crustaceans use pheromones to attract mates and coordinate reproduction. Here, next slide I go mention the chemical diversity of marine natural products. Marine environment contribute to the production of different structural classes. Here I mention main three classes: alkaloids, polyketides, and terpenoids. Here, alkaloids are the nitrogen-containing compounds with the diverse bioactivities. Polyketides also complex of carbon chain, often featuring unusual ring systems and stereochemistry. Terpenoids derived from the isoprenes units, often heavily modified in marine species. These marine natural products are structurally unique compared to the terrestrial compounds, and also they high potency due to the marine selection pressures. Next slides, I mentioned marine derived drugs according to the FDA approved. FDA means the Food and Drug Administration. This is an agency in USA that help to protect our public health. Here I mention some special drugs and their importances. I think all of them are know the omega-3 fatty acid. It is very important for human cardiovascular health, and these sometimes these drugs act as a painkiller. Example is cyclotide, and also these drugs act as an anti-cancer drug. Example is trabectedin drug, and also sometimes they act as antibody drug conjugate from a sea hair toxin. Not only medicine, there are so many applications in marine natural products according to the industrial enzymes, nutraceuticals, cosmetics, and green technology. Example is some industrial enzyme known extreme files used for the PCR and detergent, and also algal carotenoids and polyunsaturated fatty acid used for the nutraceutical industry. And you know, and we are all know, marine collagen and seaweed extract mostly used for cosmetics. It also marine natural product, and also they apply for the green technology. However, there are some challenges and ethical issues in the marine natural products. You know, marine organisms live in the competitive and extreme environment, example deep sea and coral reefs. Because of that, sample collection is very difficult. And also, if we get over harvesting of these natural products, sometimes the biodiversity will be lost. And we need some aquaculture knowledge for handle these kind of properties. Finally, in conclusion, marine natural products represent a vast and largely untapped treasure trove of compound with remarkable potential for medicine, agriculture, cosmetics, and biotechnology. From life-saving cancer drugs to eco-friendly industrial products, the ocean continues to inspire innovation. However, this potential can only be realized if we prioritize the protection and sustainable use of marine ecosystem. These are the references that I referred for make this video. Right. So this is end of my video and I think you got some idea about marine natural products. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Thank you.